guys, on this video I'm going to show you how to achieve a messy bun, and starting on clean, freshly washed and stretched hair. I'm just going to go in with my Dark and Lovely gel, and I sectioned my hair into 3 parts so that I can start with the middle part. I'm going to slick down the middle part first, and then I'm gonna slick down the other parts, and I do this so as to ensure a nicely laid ponytail. I do not want this hair to start straying a few days because I'm going to be wearing this style for the whole week. So first I'm gonna start by slicking down the middle part, and then I'm gonna hold that up, and then I will slick the front and back part, and this is just so as to achieve a more sleek and laid look. As I am editing this video and I see how well my hair is doing, I am so proud that I started this journey a year and a few months ago. I usually sometimes stress myself, but I should be kind and understand that this is just a year and a few months growth, and that my hair is actually growing. I can definitely see the progress, and the evidence is on this channel. If you haven't watched all my other videos, or if you're new here, believe it or not, I did not start this channel with my hair looking this long, to a point where now I'm able to achieve a ponytail without stressing or adding bobby pins or just going crazy about it. And I actually do not have to use 2 bands, but I just use them so that I can be able to have a more sleek look. And not because that my hair, it cannot be held in a ponytail in one take. But I really love how long it looks, and I love how my bun is actually starting to look like a bun without having to add extensions. I am so proud of my hair, and I am so proud of this journey. If you're new here, you probably didn't know this. I cut my hair a year ago, and I wanted to start fresh, and that's why I started this channel. I started with like 2 inches of hair, and now I'm at a point where it's like 8 inches, and look at how nice the bun looks, and that just gives me, that's makes me so happy, and that's the reason why I continue making these videos, so that I can show you progress, and I can understand that with everything you work on, there is going to be a result. And I really love how it looks. So please remember, as you're holding your hair into this ponytail, do not tie it so tight. You wanna hold your hair tight, but not too tight to a point where you can't raise your eyebrows. Just nice and tight, and the gel will also help, so you don't actually have to hold it too tight to a point where it's gonna cut your hair. And if you watched my previous video on how to lay your edges, I know you're seeing a new style of laying the edges, and I actually like this style more, and it looks so beautiful. So, and this is how the hair looked like. It looks so nice, and I love how it looks. If you're new here, my name is Maria, like I said, and on this channel I do natural hair videos, DIY hairstyles, and home remedies for hair growth. And since my hair is growing, I do not feel like an imposter when I'm telling you guys how to grow your hair or what to do with it, because I actually have the results, and I am more confident in myself now than I was when I was starting this channel. So this style, I just thought about it, so it just started as a vision in my head, and to actually get to actualize it just gives me joy. And as you can see, I started the bun, but then I did not like it, and I did not give up. Instead, I went ahead and I tried it again. So you shouldn't give up too. You probably get it on your 2nd or 3rd try, so just keep going at it. And have you noticed that I'm just attaching the bun and I'm not using any bobby pins? Yay! That's because my hair has grown, guys. That's because my hair has grown. Okay, if you are an OG in this channel, you saw me making these curly hair extensions. But if you're new, I'm gonna try and link that video in the comment section so that you know how to make those curly extensions that I'm going to add onto my bun. So I just went ahead and crocheted a few pieces of those curly extensions because this is what is going to actually give me the messy look that I am going for. And this look did turn out pretty, like just how I had thought it was gonna turn out, how I wanted it to turn out. And so don't be shy, you can try this style by yourself and leave a comment about what you think about the hairstyle. And also share my videos with your friends. You do not want to look cute alone, you also want friends that are looking as good as you are. And I really loved how this look. I went ahead and added a few extra pieces on the hair itself so that to give the style an extra oomph, and I really loved how it looked. If you've reached to this point of this video, kindly consider subscribing and joining the family. Let us grow together and let us grow our natural hair. Let us wear our hair as the crowns that they are, and let us rock them proudly. I love how this style looked, and I would encourage you to try it. This is gonna be a style for 1 week, so at least you're sorted for 1 week, and at a budget you don't have to break your bank and you still look cute, guys. Thanks for watching. This was the final look. Turned out so amazing. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Later.